So
हाँ,
who else wants to go out there and talk a little bit about themselves and एक passion या एक अपने बारे में एक शब्द में अगर आप बताना चाहेंगे तो please anyone else?
I'll just call myself Mr. Cool because yeah, whenever I used to meet, in fact, my daughter used to say, that why you're not, upset by anything. So I said, no. Like in Bangalore, they say, in Kannada, they say that don't worry, Mad Bidi. They say, don't worry, Mad Bidi. In Kannada, so that's what I keep telling her. I said, don't worry, Mad Bidi, nothing will happen. Everything will work out. As long as you are sincere and you know that, you believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself and do what you're doing.
yeah. I am a very open person, but
Open.
sensitive.
Open का मतलब
Open
समझाइए
in the
हमें.
sense I speak about myself to everyone.
हाँ.
So open in that sense, ki very frank.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
Face ki, मतलब if I don't like anything or anybody, I tell on face.
अच्छा. And how is it received? कई लोग को अच्छा नहीं लगता
नहीं
frankness.
लगता, that is true. किसी
हाँ.
को भी आप अगर truth बोलोगे तो truth is never light.
जी जी.
तो अब मैं वैसी हूँ तो now I can't change. मैं सोचती हूँ नहीं बोलूं, but फिर भी even then it came, I get hurt very fast.
Oh, okay. You're a very sentimental person.
Yeah. So that is the only my biggest issue of life. I wanted to share with you all.
Very
That is
nice.
the only issue in my life.
Yeah, yeah. But it's nice to be sentimental, to be soft-hearted.
Yes.
That is what makes us human, right?
Oh, but nowadays time has changed.
Mm,
It is like some people like it, but out of 100, 10 will like it and others reject it.
correct,
No, but
correct.
that is a plus point.
It is plus for me, but others, they don't like this kind of
No,
character.
whether they like it or not, you have that humanity.
Yes, I always try a known person also. If I am walking also, I'll say hello. मेरे हाथ में कुछ है तो I'll share. So
Yeah,
that
the biggest thing is humanitarian.
yes, true. And also, मतलब होना नहीं चाहिए expectation, but sometimes कहीं ना कहीं आ जाता है तो दुख होता है. That is there.
Yes, we are all human और हम perfect
Yeah,
नहीं
but
हैं.
we get reward somewhere or the other. Indirectly or
True.
directly, we get reward,
Yes. That I always say thanks to ऊपर वाला, शुक्रिया every
Yeah, sure.
second,
Yes.
because he has blessed us. We are
Yes.
lucky to have 3 meals and children are doing well. So that is the biggest solace.
I'm a very sensitive and evolving person trying to navigate life. It's not one word, Ajita ji, but this describes me
कोई बात नहीं.
because I am trying to navigate life, trying to absorb the lessons, go through the experiences, sometimes very challenging, sometimes very enriching, educating, and so it's a patchwork of memories which are good, great, sometimes not so great. But this is what life is. This is what, as they say, the prarabdha, what has been dished out, trying to accept it gracefully and with immense faith on the divine.
Because I am authentic. I say what I mean. I
how
mean
would
what
you
I say.
how would you
I
call
say what
yourself?
I-
एक हाँ जी, एक एग्जाम्पल बताइए ना हमें समझाने के लिए.
I say what I mean and I mean what I say.
किसी और ने भी यही कहा था. आई थिंक कविता जी ने बताया कि शी इज ऑल्सो वेरी ऑथेंटिक. जो देखती है वो बताती है, जो सोचती है वो बताती है.
Right. I can shake hands with her because I'm also
Yes.
according to a point of bluntness. Somebody can misunderstand.
Yes.
But I am comfortable in my own skin and I sleep with a clear conscience. So I think I have the wealth of a clear conscience. So that is something that many people don't have.
About me, I am called a live wire. live wire.
Okay.
And every get together, every party, we people just end up saying you are the spirit, you are the life of the party, or the life of the get together. Because I'm a little mad in the head, in the sense I love to dance. And I have a great sense of humor.
Okay.
And I will joke around and make people laugh, and I'll dance, and I love music. And this thing, this sense of humor and my love for music has kept me afloat from a lot of challenges that I've gone through.
When you are straightforward, 5 मिनट में नींद आ जाता है. There is no tension. There is no tension, no mention, only pension.
But
There
you
is
know,
no tension. There is no tension. There is no mention, only pension. So नींद आ जाता है. बस finished.
But
You
sir,
know-
if I'm straightforward, and many a times I don't get sleep because the other people have
True.
not been straightforward and have given me a tough time. So then I worry about that. That why did
Yes.
this person?
yes,
Because
yes.
you're not supposed to
absolutely.
think, madam. When you're sleeping, now you're not supposed to think.
I wish I had a switch which I could switch off and go to sleep. Probably because I'm an electrical engineer by qualification, so my thinking is like that.
ओ मेरे सोनाली 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 दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना तू मैंने तुझे जरा दे नहीं जल्दी जान लिया तुम्हें लेकिन गाने में ऐसा है इसलिए मैं गा रही हूँ बस मैंने
That bike
तुझे
ride.
जरा देर में जाना हुआ कसूर खफा मत हो रे ओ मेरे
ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे
Sorry,
सोना
sorry.
रे
Generally,
Yes.
the things that interest me are only songs and dance by Anna sir. And okay, I'll just take 2 minutes. And Ajita has been asking, what would you describe yourself as?
Yes.
Basically, I'm a little kind of a serious person. Basically, that I have understood about myself. Then I said, no, I will
Only-
mingle with people who will not allow me to be serious.
Only
Yes.
serious. Madam, you said only serious.
Serious.
Only serious.
Yes,
Yes.
only serious. She's a
Yes.
very
But-
serious person.
Kind
Rani
of-
ji.
You know, I very
But-
easily slip into serious discussions. I said, nahi,
My,
hum
my,
nahi
my,
kare.
wife, my wife calls me very serious.
But you have a serious face. No, why don't you smile, Bayana ji? I want you to smile at me.
I have one at home. My husband will never smile at all, and I have to tell him, please smile. I get so worried he's upset.
I can't stop smiling, Amita.
I know that.
Smiling, wonderful presence, and you steered the
Yes.
show so beautifully.
She's
Yes.
nice.
Can I
to her.
dedicate one? Can I dedicate one song for Ajita?
Yeah,
Yes,
just
One line only.
she's a
छू
soothing,
कर
lovely
मेरे
presence.
मन
मेरे
को
मन को
किया
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 तूने
तूने
दुनिया
क्या
है क्या
इशारा
इशारा
बदला
बदला
ये
ये
मौसम
मौसम
बदल
बदल
गया
गया
सारा
छू कर
कर
मेरे मन
मेरे
को
मन को किया
किया
तूने
तूने क्या
क्या
इशारा for you
इशारा
Ajita
All of you.
I
for
just
you
want
It's
for you
dedicated
Ajita
to all of you.
हाँ,
No, no, Amita.
for
Yeah,
you.
wonderful host. Wonderful
Thank
host.
you.
Thank you. And thank
Thank
you to
you.
Priya.
Uh,
Thank you to
Lots
Can you
and
hear
lots
me?
of love.